Bringing fresh fish from the sea, well fry it and make a curry to enjoy with rice or roti. Keep watching the video and don't skip any part. You will love the recipe. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. Let's continue with the recipe. Hello my dear friends on YouTube. I welcome you all to Rinali Multi-Channel Vlogs. Today I have come to share the recipe for green fish curry on this platform. Green fish curry is a popular dish in Thai cuisine. The dish includes ingredients like farmed whitefish, vegetables such as eggplant, snow peas and peppers, and is often enhanced with fresh herbs like Thai basil and kaffir lime leaf. It is known for its spicy aromatic flavors and is commonly served with jasmine rice. Let's start making green fish curry. To prepare green fish curry, first wash the fish thoroughly and squeeze out all the water properly. Now we will add some spices to it along with salt according to taste. Add half tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder and half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Mix all of this well with the fish. Let it rest for 5 minutes so that the spices are properly absorbed by the fish. I have taken some green leaves here like onion leaves and coriander leaves. Take some green leaves like this, wash these leaves thoroughly and grind them in a mixer. The paste is ready. Now take 2 to 3 tomatoes and make a paste of them as well. Now take 5 to 6 whole green chilies to make a paste with cardamom. Heat a fry pan properly, then add oil. Once the oil is hot enough, add the fish, only then will the fish fry properly. Now frying the fish is ready. Now I will prepare the curry. Take a wok, add oil, half a tablespoon of whole cumin seeds, and 1 to 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Add the paste we made earlier, the paste of onion leaves, now put the green chili paste. Include the tomato paste, one tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of red chili powder, half a tablespoon of coriander powder and half a tablespoon of turmeric powder. Also add 1 tablespoon of cumin powder. Now saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Cover it for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the fish. Pour 1 to half glasses of water. Cover it and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Your green fish curry is now perfectly cooked, friends. Pair it with steaming hot rice, soft roti or warm naan for a delightful meal. If you are visiting the channel for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you enjoyed this recipe, show your support with a like. Jazakallah khair. I will see you soon with another exciting recipe.